A few moments later.
Maginamadi mimatainan, pundi na taguan,
uning kami na iposogan, iliun kapatogan.
Kulturaun kadaanan, tinawid udan kesan,
Urnos kapyakan masakbayan.
One eternity later.
Good day mga Quezoners! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Sentro Putol, Apayao at malapit na ang Piña Festival dito at nataon ang ating bakasyon ay whole month of June. Kaya nandito tayo ngayon at lucky tayo ngayon at meron tayong nahanapan na franchise ng Big Brew. Ang Big Brew actually is the best milk tea in town and in the whole Philippines. So ayan, so nakilala natin ang dalawang sales lady dito na taga Luna at taga Kabatakan. Ayan. Shoutout sa lahat ng mga Balanays, family Gudayan and family Saday. Andyan ang ating mga pamangkin, nag-aantay ang 8 milk tea. Ayan, the best seller kasi, ang best seller kasi ng Big Brew, ayan ang Big Brew, ay cheesecake at saka salted caramel. Ayan. One of my favorite is salted caramel at ang aking mga pamangkin ayan ay cheesecake. So antayin natin ang order and magpunta tayo ng milk tea right here and only here at Big Brew dito lamang sa Sentro Putol. Bye for now! Back to your screen ang Payag Putol and now we're going to claim our order. Yan. The best seller of Big Brew all over the Philippines. Cheesecake and salted caramel. And we have here Madam Ina and and here with me is Madam Ena, ayan, from Kabatakan, Putol, Apayao, and we have here the ever-blooming cashier, ayan, si Davey from Luna, Apayao, and of course I'm from Swan, Putol, and thank you so much at count me in as your regular customer. But for now, right here and only here at Big Brew franchise, right here at Sentro Putol for the incoming Piña Festival. Bye for now.
2,000 years later.
Go na. Tara!